Do you feel rushed in the morning? Like there's never enough time to get a balanced breakfast in? Skipping meals can cause us to overeat later in the day, so that's the last thing we want to do. When it comes to getting a balanced breakfast in the morning, we want to make sure that we have a source of protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Here are my top 3 favorite quick and easy balanced breakfasts. You can find all of these recipes at healthystepsnutrition.com. Easy breakfast idea number 1. Double chocolate overnight oats. This is a family favorite. These overnight oats have a secret ingredient of low sugar Greek yogurt. It makes them so creamy and so delicious. Easy breakfast option number 2. Strawberry shortcake smoothie. Did you have one of those strawberry shortcake pops as a kid? Well, this smoothie recipe will take you back. It's a great option for a quick and balanced breakfast. The secret ingredient is frozen riced cauliflower. It gives it a creamy consistency and gets some veggies in first thing in the day. This recipe is balanced as it has protein, carbs, and fat, and it's easy and convenient to take on the go. Easy breakfast option number 3, egg muffins. I love the egg muffin recipe because it's easily customizable. You can add whatever veggies and proteins you like to the mix. These egg muffins are awesome for meal prep because they taste great reheated and they're easily portable. I hope that you utilize these 3 Healthy Step Nutrition recipes for a quick and balanced breakfast. Add these recipes to your breakfast rotation, and they're great for meal prep. Plus, all of these recipes are kid approved.